Are you lactose intolerant? Does cow milk not sit well with you? Well, we introduce you to something special. Bird milk! Bird milk! Bird milk! You can tell what bird you're drinking by the color of your milk. Scientists have worked countless hours to come up with this product. Did you know it almost takes 100 birds to make a single glass of bird milk? That may seem extreme, but after you try it, you'll think it's absolutely worth it.
I love bird milk. Being one of those lactose people in the world, I mean, it's been hard fitting in. I could never find a satisfying dairy product. But now that I have bird milk, I feel like there's a reason to live.
1 glass of bird milk a day keeps all the cows away.
Bird milk's real good.
Bird milk is my cup of tea.
With 1 glass of bird milk a day, I can do anything. I love bird milk. It's delicious.
So there you have it, folks. Bird milk is changing the world as we know it. Don't like milk? Well, try some of our other bird products. Bird cheese, bird yogurt, and bird ice cream. Order now and try bird milk today. All of these products are available on a secret and undisclosed website, not recommended for bird lovers or animal rights activists. Any birds that may or may not have been harmed in the making of bird milk were probably going to die eventually, and that's why we don't feel very bad about it. Sadly, our bald eagle bird milk has been discontinued, but pelican and toucan bird milk are back in season.